let's get at this. Let's get it. All right, good afternoon, Tool Fam. I am at the potential job site for my very next flip project. This will probably end up being a 3-unit. Here we have some of the very nice concrete block or something. It's believe it or not, I'll show you guys the inside of that. That's actually cinder block with a different finish on the outside. I don't know how they pulled that off. I'll have to bring that out flush with the cinder block right there. Nice big, about 2-inch gap there. I think I can lay some 2x flat against the framing here. Once it's all level, I'll add some more 2x flat so I can attach more OSB and then house wrap this sucker. Ooh, look at that. That's at least 100 years old, guys. This is a super old house. I'm gonna have to have a master electrician out here to get this back approved for city power. Yes, this is grandfathered in. Yes, that's the street. Yes, this is the house. This is really close. This is new old framing that the previous owner did, and I guess they didn't know what they were doing or how to proceed to next. So I'll be cleaning that up. I'll be flushing all of this up. Hit it with some OSB. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm thinking most likely I'm gonna have to rip all of this stucco off there. I'll probably slap a very large window in there so you can have a nice view of the street, I guess. There's some more angles of what I'm working with. We have a nice big slab out here. I think the previous owner did a partial tear down. It is 2 lots, so I can actually add a mother-in-law suite somewhere back here. I should be getting the survey later this week. I will be building this out. I will get some concrete guys out here. I've done concrete before in the past, but I don't like to do it myself personally anymore. It is a lot of work, a lot of back-breaking work, and you've got to be quick or it will set on you in terrible ways. This is what I like to call the Quikrete special of foundations. So a lot of houses here, the older 100-year plus houses that were made with this style of sheathing on the outside, and just, you know, whatever they had on hand. These houses were built on top of dirt. What they would do was they would get big bags of Quikrete, clear out the house, and just fill in the floors. There are no markings from the framing here, none whatsoever, because the framing, guys, the framing was still in the dirt. Okay, that's a big no-no. You cannot have wood in the ground. Look at that. So let's keep going with our walkthrough and seeing what we're gonna need. Look at that big black cast iron pipe, guys. That's it's a 4-incher, 5-incher. Look at this thing. Can't even grab it completely. Huge. That's drainage pipe. Let's go ahead and walk on inside. Hopefully I don't contract rabies from too many rats or anything like that. There. Back. All right, Tool Fam, we are now inside what I'm going to refer to as the abandoned apartment complex. Or y'all think of a better name than that? I don't know. Maybe just abandoned 100-year-old house? So basically guys, we have a lot of work ahead of us. Most of that OSB, that's got to go. Water damage, not great. I have no idea what that 2x8 is doing there. We've got a lot of work, guys. Most of this lumber looks pretty good, but a lot of this is looking like I'm gonna have to either fix or get rid of. So y'all can see how old this building is. Take a look at that. That's original, guys. We have an ancient home here. We have this nice old brick fireplace I'll probably have to demo. If y'all can see, let me see if I can get y'all a good angle up there. Oh, that's better. So I'm gonna have to bring that down. Just a lot of work ahead of us, guys. A lot of work. And if y'all want to be here from start to finish, let me know. I can make this a video series. Here's another little shot of the floor, just so y'all can see what I'm working with. This is what I'm talking about with the Quikrete foundation specials. Like I said, a lot of families, they would just go ahead and pour the Quikrete right on top of the dirt, leaving the framing in the dirt in the process. You end up with problems like this. There's no bottom plate there, guys. You have more issues like that. This whole wall's in the air. Y'all can see that bowing right there. That's never a good thing. We got the makeshift kitchen in here. We got some cedar back here that was used for the bathroom. You can see it right there on the ceiling. In some parts of the house, they had 3 layers of sheathing. They had the cedar on top of this, on top of the 2x, and then I believe when I was last here, they had drywall on top of that, just like that. It's absolutely insane. Oh, look, pink. So I will absolutely bring y'all along for this journey, just so y'all can see what it is that we do on a daily basis when we're not making deal videos for y'all. That's it for now, guys. Have at it. Good luck.